So gas will confuse a lot of people in the crypto space, because some of you that buy tokens from vendor, you will hear them saying, okay, add money for gas fee. Okay, you paid this amount, you receive so and so because I'm deducting this for gas fee. So what is gas fee? Gas fee is just a little amount of payment you make for using a blockchain, either for sending tokens or minting NFTs, using apps, or any other thing that you want to do on the blockchain. You have to pay fees. And then some of you now ask now, why should fees be paid? Number one is used to pay validators that secure and ensure the network runs smoothly. And then number two, sorry, it prevents spamming and ensure the blockchain works smoothly without breaking down. Because if there's no that gas fee, people will just play around and sometimes make the blockchain get congested and it may break down in the process. So that is what gas fee is. And then sometimes the transaction you perform on every blockchain will determine the gas fee you're going to pay. So if you perform more transactions, the more gas you are going to pay. And then sometimes some of you wonder, why is this gas fee not fixed? Why is it that Ethereum gas fees are high and then BNB gas fees are low? It's because of the way the blockchain is built. Some chains are built to have cheaper fees, some are built to have expensive fees. And on a general note, when transactions get too much on a chain, naturally the fees will go up. But some chains are naturally expensive, such as Ethereum. And that is why BNB came into play, because of the nature of the expenses of transaction on Ethereum chain to make it cheap. And that is why I is also coming in now with the speed, just like Solana. So this is part of my 30-day series. Catch you in the next video.